Good morning, everyone. Welcome back from spring break. I hope everybody was able to take a few days to step away from the schoolwork and relax a little bit, enjoy the nice weather that we had. So this week we're getting back into the swing of things. I just wanted to reach out and let you all know I'm here if you need me. I did post an announcement for today with a couple of things that I would like for you to do, so I'm going to walk you through that now. Okay, so throughout this week, I'm going to be sending individual assignments. Again, I'm calling them assignments, but they're not for points. They're not going to affect anybody's grades or anything like that. But they are linked to your specific IEP goals. And so I've created them in an effort to help you be successful in this new type of learning that we're enduring. So please be looking out for that. I'm going to be sending those via Canvas messages. So make sure you're checking your messages, which if you have a message over here on the inbox, it will say a notification that you have new messages. So be looking out for that this week. If you don't get an assignment from me, it's because I don't need anything from you this week. So don't let that scare you either. So for today, I would like everyone to create a learning log for this week. So I made a Google Doc. So if you click on this link here, it will take you to my original copy that I made. So what I want you to do is to make a copy, file, make a copy, and then change this part where it says original to your name. Okay, so at this point you'll have a new copy, and then you can share it with me. So just put in my email address there, which you can find here. Okay, then throughout the week, just type exactly what you worked on. That way I can use it to kind of track how you're doing and reach out to you if I'm seeing that maybe you're falling behind or anything like that. Okay? All right, so also I would like for you to reply to this announcement. So if you click reply, you can bring up a text box and then just type how you spent your spring break. My office hours for today are from 1:30 to 3, so I'll be on a Canvas conference during that time. So conferences are found here, so you can click on this, and then once that time comes, you'll see today's date, so April 6th, and then it will be an open conference, and you can click join. If you need help, if you have questions, or just want to stop in and say hi, I'll be available. All right. Okay, guys, again, I'm here if you need me. You need accommodations, you have an assignment that's too difficult, and you need some help with it, I'm here for you guys. I hope everybody had a great spring break and are ready to get back into the swing of things here. All right, guys, have a great day.